Assistant Secretary Mary Rose Magsaysay, Commander Nomar Bilbao, the Cybersecurity Group Head of the AFP. And to everyone here today, good morning and welcome to the 4th edition of the PhilSec Summit 2024. I am very thrilled to be part of this highly anticipated PhilSec Summit. On behalf of the National Privacy Commission, it is an honor to be here with data privacy and cybersecurity champions from all over the country. I am sure that all of you share the same vision in calling for zero cybercrime in the country while upholding the right to data privacy. As data privacy and cybersecurity are essentially intertwined, we must advance the country's cybersecurity landscape in order to defend the right to privacy. To achieve this, we must implement strong data privacy mechanisms together with a firm cybersecurity policies and standards. In line with President Marcos' vision to strengthen the country's digital ecosystem and fully embrace digitalization, the National Privacy Commission continues to persevere to empower Filipinos in exercising their rights under the law while ensuring that they are able to safely navigate the digital space. Last year, we issued 7 circulars and 1 advisory in order to provide better and effective guidance to personal information controllers and personal information processors. We issued circular on the schedule of fees and charges of the National Privacy Commission, circular on data privacy competency program, guidelines on the identification cards, guidelines on consent, circular on the prerequisite for the Philippine Privacy Mark Certification Program, circular on security of personal data in government and the private sector, and the guidelines on legitimate interest. The Commission also issued NPC Advisory 2023-01 or the Guidelines on Deceptive Design Patterns. The advisory provides guidance to PICs on the nature of deceptive design patterns and its impact on the lawful processing of personal data based on the data subject's consent and in line with the general data privacy principles. This year, we already published NPC Circular 2024-01 or the amendment to certain provisions of the 2021 Rules of Procedure of the National Privacy Commission. The circular reflects the improvements made by the NPC in the case resolution process and fostering compliance among PICs and PIPs. We are also currently drafting circular on the closed-circuit television system, which is already in the final stages of drafting. Additionally, we are developing 7 draft advisories, as you can see on the screen. Compliance to the Data Privacy Act of 2012 is one of the essential aspects in guaranteeing a safe cyberspace. Thus, the Commission made sure that personal information controllers and personal information processors are carrying out their obligations under the law. The Commission is striving to further increase the registration on our National Privacy Commission registration system, or what we call NPCRS, and the mandatory display of the NPC Seal of Registration. As of date, 6,477 certificates and seal of registration were already issued. We also issued 867 sworn declaration on registration exemption, yielding a total of 7,344 issuances in terms of registration. With our intensified compliance efforts, we conducted 59 on-site visits and 920 privacy sweeps. We also issued 22 notice of document submissions and 63 show cause orders and 68 warning letters. In addition, we also issued 842 orders to non-registered PICs. Just recently, we conducted an on-the-spot privacy sweep and compliance check at independent retail stores, boutiques, pop-up booths, kiosks and stalls within the Ayala Mall's Manila Bay. The compliance check and privacy sweep aims to assess compliance of our stakeholders with the DPA and other issuances of the Commission. Aside from this, the Commission also remained fearless in investigating personal information controllers and personal information processors who may have possible violation to the Data Privacy Act of 2012. In light of the alleged PhilHealth leak, we launched a sua sponte investigation upon extracting a staggering 734 gigabytes of data, which includes personal and sensitive personal information. Recognizing the matter as a serious public concern, we launched the Nalik Ba ang PhilHealth Data Ko? This is a simplified database search portal designed to help individuals to verify the status of their personal information in light of the recent incident involving the PhilHealth database. The Nalik Ba ang PhilHealth Data Ko is an independent project launched by the Commission wherein the database is regularly updated to provide the most up-to-date information on the incident. In terms of executing our mandate to negotiate with other data privacy authorities, we continue to foster powerful collaborations with various organizations globally. As of date, we already have 6 memoranda of understanding with our data privacy counterparts from all over the world. We have a standing collaboration with the United Kingdom's Information Commissioner's Office, Singapore's Personal Data Protection Commission, and Hong Kong's Office of the Privacy Commissioner for Personal Data. Earlier this year, we signed a Memorandum of Understanding with the Office of the Privacy Commissioner of Canada, Office of the Information and Data Protection Commissioner of the Republic of Malta, and the Dubai International Financial Center. We are also finalizing an MOU with the Personal Information Protection Commission of the Republic of Korea. We're scheduling the signing at the last quarter of 2024. We are also determined in strengthening our position in the international data privacy stage. Our appointment as the first ever P-funded secretariat at the Global Privacy Assembly, following a unanimous vote by its executive committee, is one of the Commission's biggest milestones. This appointment is a big opportunity and honor for the Philippines, as it gives us an advantage in maximizing our voice and influence in further protecting Filipino data subjects anywhere around the world. Not only that, we are also honored to be shortlisted at the GPA Global Privacy and Data Protection Awards 2023 under 2 categories. Our Kabataan Digital Program was shortlisted under the Education and Public Awareness category, and our Data Breach Notification Management System under the Innovation category. In championing data privacy within the Philippines, we joined forces with our mother agency, the Department of Information and Communications Technology, through a Memorandum of Agreement and launched an innovative privacy complaint and hotline project. Through this collaboration, Digital Security and Privacy Quick Response Project was established. This is an innovative complaints handling system designed to swiftly address privacy violations and concerns. Additionally, last year, the DP Council, through the leadership of Ms. Jeline Bucarin and the DP Council Executive Committee, successfully conducted 4 DP Council roadshows held in SMX Convention Center in Clark, Pampanga, Summit Galleria Hotel in Cebu, Waterfront Hotel in Davao, and Seda Nubali Hotel in Laguna. Aside from this, we made sure that accountability, compliance, and adherence to international best practices is reflected within our organization. As part of our commitment to exceptional quality management system, this is the 3rd year that we received an International Organization for Standardization ISO 9001:2015 certification. Lastly, it is also an honor to report that we received last June 24, 2024, our 3rd consecutive unmodified opinion from the Commission on Audit for the fair presentation of our financial statements. Indeed, building a strong cybersecurity fabric in the country comes hand in hand with strengthening the culture of privacy. A safer and more secure digital space is well within our reach, granted that we diligently perform our shared responsibilities in creating a digital future where privacy and cybersecurity is prioritized. To end, I would like to express my gratitude to my fellow co-supporting partners, the Cybercrime Investigation Coordination Center, and the Armed Forces of the Philippines, and TradePass for organizing this event and allowing us to be part of the PhilSec Summit 2024. As what we always say in the National Privacy Commission, datos mo, protektado. Good morning.
Thank you very much, Attorney John Henry Dinaga. Please stay on stage for the award.